Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is minus, B minus 5, B is minus 10, C is minus 15 and D is minus 20. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, we will discuss here rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the exponent or power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to see the division and multiplication. What will you do? You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. In our expression, we have this bracket, which is expression 10 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. So now we have to solve this one first. So first of all, what we will do, we have to go here because we have to sign division and multiplication. So what we will do first, we will go left to right for this part and find out which is coming first, which operation is coming first. So here in this inside the bracket, we have 10 divided by 2. So we will solve this part first according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. Basically, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So here we have 10 divided by 2. So we will divide first. 10 divided by 2 means 5. And multiply by 3. Right now we will write as it is. And again we have 2 outside the bracket. So we will write 2 as it is. And this 2 becomes multiply with this bracket. Here we will give the reference 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. Now move forward. Again, we have to solve this bracket. So we will solve this one, which is 5 multiplied by 3. So 25 minus 5 multiplied by 3 means 15. And multiply by 2, we will write as it is. 5 multiplied by 3 equals to 15. Now move forward. We have to solve we have to go left to right in our expression because we do not have any bracket now and we also do not have any exponent part. So we will go left to right in this expression and find out division and multiplication. So now we have this multiplication, which is 25 minus 15 multiplied by 2 equals to 30. And here we will give the reference 15 multiplied by 2 equals to 30. Now, we have here two terms which are subtracting each other. So, we will subtract both of them and get the answer is minus 5. So, the answer of the given expression is minus 5. If you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.